Hey everybody, today we're going to look at various trailers from MDC-USA that are really specifically designed for traveling with your family, with mom, dad, whoever, with kids, and you go out to faraway places. That's kind of the specialty of these MDC-USA trailers, is to get off the highway and off the beaten path and go see some faraway places. But this time you're taking your kids, maybe your dogs, maybe in-laws, maybe just friends. Let's check out these three specific family design MDC-USA trailers right here. Before we go into the details on the specific trailers, let's talk about what they have in common. These trailers are built on a Q345 galvanized steel frame for the chassis part, but on top, for the cabin part of each one of these trailers, it's an all aluminum welded cage style frame. So you have a lot of durability, rigidity built in. Now the floor inside is not wood at all. It's not a marine grade plywood or what have you. It is actually fiberglass. So it's impervious to water and it has a little bit more of a thermal value to it. I don't know what the R value is, but it has some properties that help from an insulation standpoint. All of these trailers also have a long trailing arm suspension for ground clearance and a nice ride, whether you be on the highway or off-road. Working independently really helps these things to maintain a pretty good, sure footing. Also, they all have electric drum brakes, and from a safety standpoint, they have their very specific asymmetric sway control system that is put out by MDC-USA. I really like this system. We have a video on it. I'll see if I can link it somewhere up here, but it is really cool. It's an electronic, like I said, asymmetric sway control system for your safety, and it is optimized for traveling down the highway, and it keeps in mind that sometimes you want to leave the highway and it operates differently in that mode. These trailers also have the Cruisemaster DO35 360 style capture hitch, or coupler if you will, and that's fantastic for uneven terrain, and they tow really nice as well. You'll take a look down here. This is just an example. All these trailers on all four corners have these really rugged kind of swing down stabilizing jacks, and they are super sturdy. So that's another thing that is nice and good for family camping, is to stabilize that trailer. All of these trailers have pretty great capacity of water, and they have a great Truma AquaGo Comfort Plus system to handle your hot water needs for your family, for cooking, but also for maybe showers and whatnot. Indoor, outdoor showers, so fantastic. Oh, most of them have indoor, outdoor cooking. Also fantastic for family space usage and just camping and whatnot. It also has their Life Pro batteries. Now those are lithium iron phosphate batteries. They have a few different configurations depending on the trailer that you're looking at, but that's a good thing to have there. And most of them will have some solar capacity on top as well to keep those batteries charged, to make you stay out there longer enjoying the great outdoors with your family. And just a little bit more to say about what all these trailers have in common is they all have these dual pane polycarbonate windows. They're very impact resistant, and because they're dual pane, they're good from a thermal standpoint. I realize I'm standing next to a canvas top tent, so this is kind of the outlier. I'll show you a couple trailers that are full hard side, full hard top, and also have these dual pane polycarbonate windows. So stay tuned for that. There is also LED lighting all throughout to keep it energy efficient and to make the space very comfortable inside and out. And there are also power outlets and plugs, both 110 for shore power use or on the pure sine wave inverter that these come with. But there's also numerous 12 volt and USB style ports for you to charge your gadgets and gizmos and accessories. Now, let's hop into each one of these trailers and see what we can learn about each one respectively. Starting up on our list of lightweight, off-road capable, family style trailers from MDC-USA, we are looking at the AusRV XL15 Mark II. You can tell that it is a pop-up trailer, and that allows it to be a little bit lightweight, lower profile while towing, which is obviously fantastic if you're trying to get out there away from everything. It sleeps 4. It has a total length of 24 feet, an exterior width of 7 foot 6 inches, and an exterior height of 8 foot 8 inches. The hitch weight on this trailer is 401 pounds with a GVWR of 6,147 pounds. The dry weight is 5,032 pounds, and you're going to want to pay attention to the water capacities on this. There's a fresh water capacity of 62 gallons and a gray water capacity of 21 gallons. The fresh water capacity is divided between 2 tanks, each one being 31 gallons. It is a wet bath unit, and the toilet is a Thetford C400 cassette toilet. Cassette toilets are very easy to use, so it's a fantastic option for families that want an easy to manage, easy to control system. The awning on this trailer is 13.8 feet, and it is an electric awning. This particular unit comes with 4 170 watt solar panels. That's 700 watts total of solar right from the factory. It has an air conditioner. It is a Dometic Penguin 2 high efficiency, low profile rooftop air conditioner. And the furnace is a Dometic unit, and it is a propane operated furnace. For the adults, this trailer has a pillow top queen mattress, and for the kiddos or whoever might fit, twin XL bunk beds. You'll also notice that there is indoor and outdoor cooking available on this trailer. So the world is your oyster. Just get out there and enjoy. Let's hop on over to the next trailer. Next in our lineup is the MDC-USA XT16 HR family. This trailer is a hard-sided camper, unlike the 15 that we just looked at, and it sleeps 5 if you turn that dinette into another sleeping space. It is an exterior height of 7 foot, and the width is 7 foot 8 inches. The hitch weight is 450 pounds, and the GVWR is 6,147 pounds. The dry weight is 5,174 pounds. This one has a fresh water capacity of 31 gallons and a gray water capacity of 21 gallons. This trailer has a wet bath and a 13.8 foot awning. It is an electric awning. Now you may notice that this trailer has more going on than you initially see. There is cooking outside, but there also is an included exterior annex room and exterior shower, so you can expand your space significantly when you're at your campsite. It is 4-season ready with cold weather package that includes tank heating pads, electric antifreeze kit for the hot water system. As far as the black water capacity of this trailer, it is also using a Thetford C400 cassette toilet, a Dometic Penguin 2 high efficiency, low profile rooftop air conditioner, and a Dometic furnace that uses propane. Now this trailer comes with 2 150 watt solar panels and 2 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate batteries. It also has a 19-inch TV for entertainment, a pillow top queen mattress, twin XL bunks, and both indoor and outdoor cooking. Now, I was going to show you the XT17 HR family, but it turns out as I came to the back lot to do a video on it, that it has already been sold and it's already with its new owner heading out into new adventures. So we'll talk about that trailer and we'll roll in some B-roll so you can see what that looks like as we talk about the components. Now the 17 HR family, it sleeps 5. It has a length of 23 feet 2 inches and exterior height of 10 foot 3 inches. The hitch weight is 595 pounds and the GVWR is 7,716 pounds. The dry weight is 6,085 pounds. It has a great water capacity of 42 gallons and a gray water capacity of 21 gallons. It also is a wet bath model, and for fridge, it boasts a Norcold 5.3 cubic foot 12 volt compressor refrigerator. It does have a 13.8 foot electric awning, and just like the previous trailer we looked at, it has a full annex room that can be added to the outside, and a shower room for your outdoor showering needs can be put on the other side of the trailer. This is a 4 seasons ready cold weather package trailer. It includes a tank heating pad or tank heating pads, a hot water heater anti-freeze kit, and LifePro integrated heating and insulated water lines. The toilet is a C400 cassette toilet, and the air conditioner is a Dometic Penguin 2 high efficiency, low profile rooftop air conditioner. The furnace is a Dometic DFSD unit. This trailer has 2 150 watt solar panels included and 2 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate batteries. For entertainment, it has a 19-inch TV. And for sleeping, there is a pillow top queen mattress and twin XL bunks. And this trailer also has, much like the previous trailer, both indoor and outdoor cooking. So you can entertain with this trailer way off the grid or out and about fantastically. Well, that brings us to the kind of purpose-built family floor plans from MDC-USA. Now, certainly, you can take any of the MDC trailers and take whomever you want and, you know, sleep however you want. I know growing up, I was always on the floor of my grandparents' trailer or in a tent outside. So you can still camp whenever, wherever you want with the MDC trailers, but these are specifically designed to bring the kids along with bunk beds and a few other features that may be helpful. I hope this has been helpful to you if you are looking at MDC trailers or an off-grid trailer that can take your kids way out there. If you have the chance, I do encourage you to take a look at MDC-USA trailers wherever you can get to one in person, because they are really spectacular from their rugged ability, their capability, and the components and just the nice floor plans that they put together. So, I'm Clint from Princess Craft RV. We do have MDC-USA here if you're nearby. It has been a pleasure showing you these trailers, and we will see you next time.